Meet John, a mechanical student. John is not wearing his PPE today. He begins working on a machine. Suddenly he slips and falls. Ooh! John is hurt. His friend rushes to help. The teacher arrives and assesses the situation.
Wearing proper PPE can prevent injuries.
Let's see how proper PPE helps. Wearing gloves, goggles, and boots. Remove PPE only after finishing the task. Common injuries in workshops include: following safe practices can prevent these. John didn't wear PPE and got hurt. Always listen to safety instructions. Wear proper footwear to avoid slips. Gloves protect your hands from cuts.
Goggles shield your eyes from debris.
Check your PPE before starting any task. Supervisors ensure safety compliance. John now always wears his PPE and works safely in the workshop. John's peers follow his example. Remember safety first. John gets recognized for his improvements. Regular drills keep safety measures fresh. Story of an accident due to no PPE. Lesson learned: always wear your PPE.
Keep your PPE clean and well maintained.
Steady drums and occasional piano highlights. Steady drums and occasional piano highlights.
I'm Rosadila Binti Ramli.
I'm Norasida Binti Mohdnob.
I'm Mohammed bin Abdullah.
I'm Lim Yikai. I'm Maud Ali Rajaya bin Halim.